going to go over Project 3, our project about business technologies. This project is a team project. You are required to work with a partner or team in order to complete the project. So this project will allow you to investigate the technologies and applications important to professional success in the contemporary office. You'll practice your ability to collaborate successfully by working with a partner or a team to prepare and present the information. This is a somewhat shorter project, so there are only a couple of different deliverables, but they're more in depth than some of the short message deliverables. You'll be doing a teamwork plan, a team preliminary source list, an informal report, that's like a 1 to 3 page report, a presentation that will take the form of an information video, and you'll do a team evaluation. So here's why we're doing this. In the last 5 to 10 years, there have been enormous growth in the use of technologies and applications to make business more interconnected and effective. The COVID-19 pandemic spurred on even more changes, but as powerful as technology can be for business, poor use of apps and interfaces can be distracting or have a negative impact on professional success. So you're going to investigate some of these technologies. Working with a team of classmates, investigate your assigned technology or app. You're going to create an informal report that presents best practices for using that technology. You'll need to research the application and learn all you can about how it is currently used in the business world. Give background information to describe the technology for an audience of your coworkers. Describe the most effective ways to use the application, and be sure to explain any pitfalls or problems that people might have while using the application or technology. Then, using the information from your informal report, create a short video to present that information to your peers. You can select from the following apps, and there might be more available for your specific class. So be sure to check your team and your team assignment. And it's important to note that all team files must be posted to the team area of Canvas. Because this is a team project, it's important to show your work and present evidence that you're engaged. So let's take a look at the deliverables. First of all, you will be completing a team work plan. After meeting with your team, you'll create a plan for the project using the sample document and materials in the textbook. Include a statement of purpose, a research strategy, a tentative outline, and a work schedule. Include a statement of how the team plans to communicate and share files. Each team's going to create one of these documents to be submitted, and you'll direct the plan specifically to your instructor. Be sure that you select an appropriate channel. Because your instructor is part of the class, you should select a channel that is an internal channel. Next, you'll put together a preliminary source list. You'll submit a list of at least 5 sources that your team has found and evaluated to use in the project. All citations should be in APA format and listed in alphabetical order, and all sources should be appropriate for a business audience. Include a cover message to the instructor that introduces your source list. Once you have your research done, you'll create an informal report. Compose an informal report to communicate the research that your team has completed to an audience of your coworkers. Use effective headings and subheadings to highlight the most important information. Be sure that you include appropriate citations and attach a page of references. Then we're going to do another one of these projects where we transform information, and you're going to transform that report into a training video. So using the research you compiled, revise the information in the report to create an engaging video presentation. It should introduce the technology and describe best practices for effective use. Your team's video should be between 3 and 5 minutes in length, and all team members need to take a speaking role in the video. The video should use effective graphics and presentation skills to keep the audience engaged and interested. You'll do one video for your team. Finally, individually, you'll create a team evaluation. Each individual team member will create an email addressed to the professor in which you'll write an informal report summary of your team's work. Include an overview of the team members and their contributions, and clearly evaluate your own work in the context of the team. So this is a smaller scale team project. Our next project will be a larger scale team project. So we're using this smaller project to learn how to work effectively in teams and to get started with that. And this will also serve as your presentation for the semester. If you have any questions, don't forget that you can always reach out to me for help, use the Writing Center, or let me know if you need assistance.